Okay. Maybe I won't stop the recording. Let me just jump on over now to Brother Addae, and we're gonna have to double check on our recordings, make sure we have it right. For some conversions,
Should we like open the presentation on any
fractions,
meeting and
decimals,
stuff?
and percents. Wow, we have been about it this semester. And Addae, you've done such a good job at getting absolutely clear about how to convert uh, between the three, in and among them. So if you'll join me on stage, please, Addae. Thank you. Thank you. And Addae, I try to make it simple for us. I have a page that I'm going to share with our folks who come to see tonight what you can convert. And let me just share my desktop real quick, and you can see it, and we can all see it as well. Okay. All right. Is that a good way to do it, Addae?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Let's just go down the line, Addae, and then as you're telling us the answer, please tell us how you determine it. Let's start with the right, on the right side there, the percent. Give us the percent in that instance. We have 1500 for the fraction, decimal 15 for the decimal. What will be the percent?
15%.
Excellent. Come on down to number B.
Welcome to any meeting.
For the decimal.
0.73.
Okay, and why would you say that?
Because it's 73 hundredths.
Okay.
And that means 73 out of 100. Now, once you have two digits behind the decimal point, it's out of 100. So 70.73.
Okay, and also one more way to work it, if we know the percent, we can change it to a decimal, right? With the method that we learned. By what?
Twice to the left.
Excellent, excellent. Number B, we have the percent. Let's have the fraction and the decimal.
The number B, the fraction is 73 hundredths.
No. C.
Okay.
Okay, we've already done B. Go ahead.
Okay. Percent, 39%. Let's see. The fraction would be 39 hundredths. The decimal would be 0.39.
And why are you so sure that the fraction will be 39 hundredths? Can you tell that by the definition of percent? And if you think so, would you tell us what percent means?
Percent means per 100.
Excellent.
Welcome to any meeting.
Number D, Addae, we have the fraction 400ths. Give us the decimal and the percent, please.
Well, the decimal for 4 100ths is 0.04, and the percent would be 4%.
Excellent. And in this case, to go from a decimal to a percent, what was our rule?
We have to move the decimal twice to the right.
Excellent. And let's all note that Addae is doing all of this by sight. He's able to look at it. We want to commend him for that. Number E, Addae, just go ahead and give us a fraction and the percent of decimal 77.
77 hundredths and 77%.
Excellent. Number F, we have the percent, 46%. What will be the decimal first?
0.46.
And the fraction?
46 hundredths.
Number G, we have the fraction, 50 hundredths. Give us the first a percent.
That would be 0.5.
First a percent.
Oh yeah, first a percent. Sorry, 50%.
And then the decimal?
0.50 or 0.5.
Excellent. Number H, we have the decimal. Give us the percent first.
That would be 6%.
And then how do we get the fraction?
6 hundredths.
And again, as Addae knows, it means per 100, so 6 over 100 or 6 out of 100. Excellent. Number I, we have the percent. Let's have the decimal first.
Let's see. The decimal will be 0.80.
Okay. And if we have the rounded to the 10th place value, what would it be?
What do you mean by that?
By the 10th place value, decimal 8 or 0.8, okay?
Yeah, so it would be 0.8.
Excellent. And the fraction?
80 hundredths or 8
Excellent. 80 hundredths, or as Addae knows, you're about to say 8 tenths, Addae?
Yep.
If we took it its simplest term, and what is our definition for reducing a fraction to its simplest term?
Simplifying.
And how do you do that?
By dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common factor.
All right, the highest number that goes into both, right? Excellent. We on J to finish, Addae, we have the fraction 2600ths. Go ahead and give us the percent first, please.
26%.
And the decimal?
0.26.
Excellent, 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 excellent. I'm going to take us off of screen sharing now, Addae. We can also look at your face again. Good job. I'm going to ask you a little bit later how you feel being able to do that. And we're hoping that you'll say in your reflections a little bit more about how it happened for you to get so clear on converting between fractions, decimals, and percents. Thank you.
Welcome.
All right. Now we're not going to stop recording. We're just going to pick on up here. I'm going to have folks say, first I want to bring Salu up. Salu, would you come on up to the, just hit your webcam. Let everybody see you. Step on up, please, to the stage for the Salu from Brandon, Mississippi. Can you do that, Brother Salu? Can you hit your web